Welcome back for another WordPress tutorial. This time we're going to take a look at media. So over on the left-hand side under the dashboard toolbar, we're going to click on media and it's going to give us media libraries. It shows us all the images if we want, how many images we have, or any unattached images that aren't actually linked to any of your posts. So let's go ahead and click on Add New. To add new, you can either drag and drop your files from your computer into this box, or you can select your files. So let's say that I want to add a picture. I'm going to go to my folder, double click, and it's going to show me that it's crunching it and bringing it up. So these are some demonstration portrait touch-ups that I've added, and I'm going to do some alternate text. These were Photoshop work. I'm going to add a caption. And a description, and this is also going to show me the file URL of that picture, and I'm going to click on Save All Changes. Now you can see that I can edit it, delete it permanently, or view it, and this shows how it would come up on my page. It has under here my caption, and it has my description right here. Now going back, it shows that the admin was the author of it, and I can attach it to a post if I'd like. And I can attach it to any of my pages by putting in a word for the search under Posts and clicking Search. And then click Close. Or if you want to click Select, you can select. Next, I can show all the dates, so I can do these from the oldest to the newest and vice versa, and click Filter. I can also search for media. So let's say I knew I was looking at my flower person picture. I could type in flower, click on Search Media, and it shows the one picture that has that. You can also go in and do bulk actions, where you can go and click next to each picture, and you can click Delete Permanently. Now remember though, once you delete it, it's gone. Now let's say I wanted to go into my post, and click on the first post that I've done, and once I'm here, I want to add this second picture. So I'm going to go in, and just like we did in the first one, I'm going to click on Upload or Insert, and I'm going to go to my media library, which is where my two pictures are. And I'm going to click the one I want to put in with Show. I'm going to make sure that all of the information is correct, including my dimensions. I'm going to choose whether I want to non-align it, left align it, center align it, right align it, and how big I want the picture to be. Now keep in mind that if you put this in, say as a large picture, you can click on Insert into Post, but then you can click on the picture itself, and you can resize by clicking and dragging. And again, if you want to get rid of the picture, just roll your mouse over it, click, and click on the Delete button. So that shows you some of the media settings. You can also add PDF files in here, which people can click on the PDF and then open it up full screen if they wish. You can even do, say, music, but for the moment, I'm just going to do the pictures. So I hope that gives you a good idea on how easy it is to use the media library in WordPress. So go ahead, add some images, spice up your WordPress page, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, and see you next time.